It rained heavily in the forest. This heavy rain lasted for several days. A big storm was chasing the trees. The storm broke the bridge across the river. As usual, Alapancha left for a trip. Alapancha wanted to cross the bridge. "Oh God, the bridge is broken," said Alapancha. Alapancha thought that the bridge should be built. Alapancha looked to see who was there to help him. Then Alapancha saw the fox coming. Alapancha called the fox Hami. Narihami, can you help me build this bridge? If the bridge is built, we can all cross." Alapancha said, "Oh dear, I can't help you with that. I have a lot of work to do." The fox said, that and went away. Alapancha felt very sad. Alapancha thought I was building the bridge somehow. Thinking like that, he came back to the bridge. It's amazing. All the animals in the forest are waiting for the elephant to come. Alapancha was very happy. Help the elephant. All the wild animals had come. With the help of those guys, Alapancha built a beautiful bridge. All the animals were happy. Now everyone can cross. We have finished building the bridge. Fox Hami, you can also cross the river." When Alapancha said this, Narihami felt very sad. Finally, Narihami crossed the bridge looking down. So Alapancha taught us that if we work together, no one can defeat us. So, if you want to see beautiful stories like this, don't forget to subscribe Sukiri YouTube channel.